Hi everyone, just a quick video for you on this Monday morning because I just need to know some questions. So I've been asked to consult on a movie called Lineage. It's a movie about Seidr magic that takes place in relatively our modern time. And so they just wanted to make sure they got like the runes right, Seidr magic right. They were looking for source materials. So just a couple weeks, I'm going to be sitting down in an interview with two of the writers from the movie to answer your questions, my questions, and to share a little bit more about the project. Seriously, after sitting down with them, I was really excited about one, how much they listened to feedback, how much they were caring about historical accuracy, and just kind of excited overall to see where this project goes. So I really hope you watch that interview when it comes out here in just a couple of weeks. And if you want to ask any questions about this project or voice any concerns from previous media projects involving the Viking Age or paganism, please put them down below. I'm going to be selecting a few of the questions or compiling some of the questions to ask them in this interview and just overall get an idea for this project to see if it's something you'd be interested in. And I will definitely say this isn't just some like random college people making a movie. This is actually from a production company. There are producers, there's a director, there's actors, there's writers, there's everything involved in this already. So it'll definitely happen, but they want to make sure they do it the right way. As far as I know, this is one of the only movies ever to be made on Seidr magic, and I just want to make sure it's made well, and I think all the people behind it care about that too, and you can have a part in that in these questions, because seriously, these writers, they really are listening. So please, put anything down below you'd like them to hear about how you'd like this project to go. And I'll see you in a couple weeks for the full-length interview with the writers of this project named Lineage.